Get ready to uncover the enchanting world of light switches. Discover the magic behind these everyday marvels and how they brighten our lives. An electrical light switch is a simple yet essential device that allows you to control the flow of electricity to a light fixture, turning it on or off as needed. Let's break down how it works in a way that anyone can understand. 1. Components of a light switch. A. Switch body, the physical housing or plate of the switch. B. Switch lever or toggle, the part you physically move to control the light. C. Wires, electrical wires that connect the switch to the light fixture and the power source. 2. Basic operation. When you flip the switch, you're either closing or opening an electrical circuit. Imagine it like opening or closing a water faucet to control the flow of water. In the off position, the switch interrupts the flow of electricity, turning off the light. In the on position, the switch completes the electrical circuit, allowing electricity to flow and turning on the light. 3. Inside the switch. Inside the switch, there are 2 or more metal contacts, like tiny pieces of metal, that can be brought into contact with each other. When you flip the switch to the on position, a small lever or mechanism inside the switch moves, connecting these metal contacts. This connection creates a pathway for electricity to flow from the power source through the switch and then to the light fixture. 4. Safety and design. Light switches are designed to be safe. They have a sturdy casing to prevent you from touching any live wires. The toggle or lever of the switch is typically insulated, so you won't get an electric shock when you touch it. When you turn the switch off, it breaks the circuit, ensuring that no electricity flows to the light, which is crucial for safety. 5. Wiring. Behind the switch, there are wires. One wire is connected to the power source, usually black or red, and the other wire is connected to the light fixture. When you move the switch to the on position, it essentially connects these 2 wires, allowing the electrical current to flow from the power source to the light fixture. Hope you were enlightened and captivated. For more electrifying content, subscribe, like, and share. For all your electrical needs, reach out to One Touch Electrical Services, a touch that lights the world.